2014 Volkswagen Golf MK7. So we've done CarPlay and reversing camera. So on the original screen here, if I press and hold media, it shows us our CarPlay on there. Obviously, if I go onto here, and I'll just connect my phone quickly for you. There we go. So once it's connected, obviously through here, you have phone, music, obviously maps, so on and so forth. If I have Waze, you can have Waze on there as well. If I go to my Spotify and I click on the music, it will come through. If I go back again, I can use Google Maps. Shows us the locations that's through on there. Same thing with messages or WhatsApp notifications. They can read them out to you, and then you use Siri in order to respond back to the unit. And that is pretty much here. So with this, obviously I can go in and out through the steering wheel as well, and if I put it to reverse, it will show me current reverse that's currently on there, front and rear sensors if your car has them as well, and also if I turn the steering wheel, adaptive and moving guidelines catering to the sensor and vehicle wheels. Yeah.